2024, the reference period was from October 2023 to September 2024. So this slide is for the mass media exposure on the reading platforms. So this is the exposure rate to various reading platforms of the population 10 to 64 years old in Region 6. So with the comparison for the 2019 and 2024 FLEMS. So we can see that exposure rate to online or digital newspaper was recorded highest in 2024 at 51.4%. Although sa 2019 wala kita data dira sa aton nga online newspaper kay wala pa na sa mga dalang item dito. So while printed newspaper recorded the lowest at 26.3 in 2024. So nagnubo ang exposure sa aton nga public sa newspaper. So I don't know kasi ang circulation sa newspapers nagnubo ba ng ilang publication or ang access man sa aton ng mga public, no? So 26.3 compared with 61.7% in 2019. So basi perhaps nag-shift man through other methods ang aton nga mga newspapers. So note na muna ang digital newspaper was not covered in 2019. So generally exposure rate to printed materials in 2024 nag-decrease compared with 2019. Next. Exposure rate to various audio-visual platforms of the population 10 to 64 years old in Region 6. So exposure rate to television was recorded highest in 2024 at 75.9%, followed by video streaming. So may nakita nga item sa video streaming at 62.6%, watching movies, plays, and other similar shows 59%, music and audio streaming 58%, and listening to radio, which was recorded lowest at 53.8%. So ang aton exposure to television 96% in 2019 decreased to only 75.9%. And also sa radio, 84.3%, naging 53.8% na lang. So, exposure rate to television declined by 20.2 percentage points from 2019 to 2024. So, wala na nakatutok sa television, most probably because of those mobile devices, no? So, please note na ang video and music streaming were not available for 2019 plans. Next is for the exposure or usage rate of internet platforms by type of usage of population 10 to 64 years old. For mass media exposure to various internet platforms, internet use to access social media reported highest in 2024 at 76.7%. So, amo na siya ang pinakatakop nga usage rate sa aton internet to access social media. It was followed by internet use for work or research at 48.0%, internet for use or use for e-commerce at 37.4%,